We are Pokemon. We're not Pokemon. We are cooking Pokemon. We're not cooking Pokemon. We're cooking, comma, Pokemon. Pokemon put out a game, Pokemon Cafe Mix. There's a lot of food in the game that I want to eat in real life. Namely, the dugtrio sandwich trio and the buneary nutty frappe something. So I'm gonna make them. Do it yourself, baby. Make your own dreams come true. Lettuce? I should probably look at what's on the sandwich. So it looks like the dugtrio sandwich trio is made of bread. There's lettuce in there, the tomato nose, something yellow. That looks doable. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the eyes. I was thinking olives, but I don't like olives. I mean, I could feed it to Wes, because Wes likes olives.
Hell yeah.
That would mean opening up a can of olives. I don't want to do that. Get those away from me! No! The olives are open now. Now they're open.
Excuse me.
I thought they were open previously, but now they're open, so I guess we're making olives for the eyes. I will not be eating them. Fuck. I've been told by many people that I should not refrigerate my tomatoes. That has never stopped me from refrigerating my tomatoes. Check out how dull my fucking knife is. Oh my god. I'm gonna need a sharper knife. That should do it. Ooh, you can see the reflection. Hello. Oh, it's so cute. So we're using these little guys for the dugtrio, for the little guy's nose. That looks good. Oh my god! Toaster scared me! It's so dangerous! Cute. I don't really know how Wes is gonna like this sandwich because he likes olives, but he does not like tomatoes. Wes is my husband, so I can touch his food. And it's fine because I washed my hands. I'm so sorry. It feels gross, but like I'm building the sandwich. I have to touch it if I'm building the sandwich. I washed my hands, I promise I did. I'm gonna do it again. This cheese has mold on it. I'm not going to use it. Good fucking bye. We do not have cheese in sliced format. But that's fine because Wes is lactose intolerant and I shouldn't be putting cheese on his sandwich to begin with. Does Wes like cucumbers? I could just ask him. He's in the next room. We don't have toothpicks, but what we do have are barbecue skewers that I had cut up because we made cake pops and we didn't have lollipop sticks, so I cut barbecue skewers. Oh, I need to cut the olive up. Excuse me, sir. It's so cute. Look at him. Ew, those eyes are too big. Oh, that's even cuter. I'm sorry. I have to do this. Oh no, it's too long. It's gonna work. This is a really sharp knife. No, we're not doing that. Woo! Yay! Diglett sandwich. Ah la 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 la. Ah la 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 la. La la la. What does Diglett sound like? I'm not gonna do that impression. I have too much pride. Don't look at them! Actually, you know what? It would be great if you looked at them right now, so I don't have to keep storing them. Anyway, close your eyes and come over here. Open your eyes and then come over here. That's great. No, no, no. Stand up properly. Okay. Close your eyes. Here comes the man in black.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Take a look.
Oh my god.
Aren't they so cute?
He looks kind of terrifying.
Look, okay,
Like,
that's mine. Here, this
No,
one's
I get
yours.
it.
No, this one really is mine because it's got bigger pieces of tomato in it than the other one.
I'll eat the tomato if you eat the olives.
It's just half of
She'll
one
try
olive.
half an olive, and if she doesn't like it, I'll eat the
I'm
other.
gonna do it right now.
No, you should have it with the sandwich. I've never had olives on a... I've had olives on a sandwich. I liked getting the chicken bacon ranch at Subway.
What is that?
Chicken, bacon, and ranch. I had them put mayonnaise on it also. Mayo with the ranch? Yes, please. Pepper, lettuce, and olives. I was in high school.
Do you want to eat this now?
I do want to eat it now.
Yeah. Fucking
Is that
eat
okay?
It. Yeah.
Fucking eat it already!
I don't even care. Just eat it. God.
Ooh.
We got a yes. Ding 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 ding.
Boy, it sure is hot.
Ew. Okay. Well. Oh. Here we go. Oh look, he's so cute. Hello. I don't like it. It's like weirdly salty. It's got like a bitterness to it that doesn't like add anything to my experience except discomfort. Can you take him away? It's like drinking sparkling water. You know? It doesn't like taste like anything. It's just not pleasant.
It tastes like salt and anger. No. Seltzer water. Or sparkling water.
That was my password for my RuneScape account when I was little. I thought it was like ethereal.
Oh, sparkling water?
Yes. What were you saying?
Eat my ass.
Oh.
Would you rather put an olive in your mouth or in your butt?
Well, just put it there? In my mouth. I don't.
What about ingest? Would you rather ingest an olive with your mouth? You can get nutrients.
It's not a suppository.
Anything's a suppository. Okay.
Okay. My mouth. I'm not gonna put a fucking olive in my butt.
Okay. I won't ask anymore.
How much money will you give me to drink the olive water?
Look, I'm not wasting my money.
How much would you give me to drink the olive water?
No money.
Well,
I
I'm
have
not
no
doing
joke.
Okay. So the nutty buneary frappe, which is what it's called, I guess, looks a lot like dalgona coffee, which was very popular at the start of quarantine. I made it once and deemed it undrinkable. I probably did it incorrectly. Who knows? Didn't think I would ever be making it again, but here we go. Dalgona what? Dalgona coffee! Tablespoon of this. Tablespoon of this. And then we just mix this up like no tomorrow. The last time I made this, I promised myself I'd never make it again because it was a pain and I didn't like it in the end. What am I doing? My camera battery died again, so I'm filming off my phone, like old times. So, it looks like this is pretty much done. Vibe check. That's stiff enough. Part of me is like, this is not fun anymore. The rest of me is like, but it looks so cute. That's not nearly as much as I thought I would make. I should measure this. Back at it again. The only reason I did not do this earlier is because I'm stubborn. You know what? It's called a nutty buneary frappe. I don't know what to do about the nut part. Hazelnut maybe, but hazelnut makes me poop and I'm not gonna use it. Wouldn't you love to see your barista handling your drink as I am? You know, I would love to see a barista at all, actually. I miss going outside. That looks terrible. Oh, great. Good thing there's nothing in there. Fuck it. Fuck it. Whatever. Fucking whatever. Don't do that! Okay.
What?
Stop! Here's our buneary! She's actually kind of cute. Which one do you want?
I'll take this one. Oh, you just take it? Okay.
Oh, that's so sweet!
So like the opposite of last time?
Yes! Last time it was so fucking bitter, but this is so sweet! I want you to eat this whipped cream because I spent a lot of time working on it. I can't believe I'm just eating this whipped cream with my hands. I need to wash my hand.
She'll see that when she gets it. I'm sorry. Oh, nice. Where'd the Swiss roll go?
You ate it. You ate it!
Oh, yeah. I remember.
Thanks for joining us.
Do you want more of this?
No, I'm good. I'm done.